Hello guys, this is Aishwarya and welcome to the Happy Vibe. So in today's video, as you must have read by the title, so today's video will be about the personal hygiene practices which we should follow. So I know you know this, but just take this video as a reminder. So yeah, I will be covering few tips which I personally follow, and these take like maximum 5 minutes to do. So without doing further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to give few basic information about the personal hygiene practices. Like, there are many which you can follow, but you can start it off by the basic, which are like your dental hygiene, your cleaning your nails, cleaning your teeth properly, and washing your hands frequently. These are kind of basic hygiene practices which we should follow. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go and give it a follow. And if you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, as it will means a world to me. So yeah, बहुत हो गया बातें, and let's jump into the video. First habit is big no to over shampoo. So I know this is basic, but most of the people apply their shampoo directly onto the scalp. So this is not how it works, guys. You should dilute your shampoo with water, like 2:1 या फिर 3:1 का water is to shampoo का ratio होना चाहिए, and apply it to the end of your hair and then go towards the scalp and massage it for good 2 to 3 minutes in a circular motion. And yeah, wash it off with regular water. Also make sure water which you are using is kind of cold या फिर normal temperature का हो. Never use hot water, as it will lead to the itchiness and dandruff. So yeah, take care of that. Okay, so the second one is scrubbing frequently. So make sure you are scrubbing your body and feet frequently. Like, I know you don't have that much of time, but what you can do is you can scrub your body once or twice a week, like Sundays में या फिर holidays में you can do. Like hardly 20 to 15 minutes लगेंगे and you will feel the difference, trust me. And the feeling of after scrubbing, like take a good shower and you will feel very good. So yeah, for if you feel like a body scrubber या फिर body wash are quite expensive, so what you can do is you can always go for natural ingredients which we have. Like, they work effectively, trust me. You don't have to waste so much of time and so much of money buying products from the outside. You can always go for natural ingredients, and you can always use the coffee, honey and hot water. Like, make a good thick paste and apply gently onto the body and wash it off after like 5 to 10 minutes. Also, if you don't want to use coffee, you can always go for sugar, as it is also a good scrubber. Moving on to the next practice, which is taking care of your lips. So whenever you wash your face, make sure you scrub your lips also, and it will make sure that if you have a chapped lips, so it will make sure that the dirt या फिर dead skin which is onto your lips, it will get exfoliated and it will make your lips look much healthier and fleshy. So what you can do is you can use a microfiber towel like this, या फिर any towel which you have या napkin, and just rub it off like this in a circular motion for 2 minutes maximum. And make sure you don't forget to apply the lip balm या फिर lip tint या फिर basic Vaseline you can apply to hydrate your lips. As you take care of your body, we always tend to forget to taking care of our feet. So this brings us to the next practice, which is taking care of your feet. The skin of the foot and the skin in between the finger of the legs are more susceptible to the bacterial and the fungal infection, as they are clogged in the socks and shoes for the major part of the day. So it is very important to soap and wash your legs frequently, like twice or thrice a day. So make sure you are doing this to cleanse off excessive sweat and dirt which is trapped into the fingers. Also make sure you are moisturizing your legs along with your hands and face to make sure you're to avoid it from the dehydration and being chapped. So let's move to the next hygiene practice, which is keeping your underarms clean. This is the sign to show the long overdue love to your underarms. So I know this will sound cliche, but most of the people don't take care of their underarms as they do for the other part of the body. So you should do that. The waxing or the shaving is the personal choice. Like if you want, you can. If you don't want, it's your choice. But what is the point? You should take care of your underarms. Like always make sure you are applying the talcum or the aloe vera gel या फिर any good moisturizing product to your underarms to make sure it is not getting darkened because of the sweat and dirt which is being trapped there. So yeah, always make sure that you are taking care of your underarms as well along with the other parts. Also don't forget to apply roll-on या फिर deo which is you are comfortable with to avoid the odor there and it will make you feel fresh all the time. So yeah. The next oral hygiene is flossing your teeth. I know everybody brush their teeth twice a day, but how many of you do follow it by flossing? Very few, right? Okay, so the flossing is very important oral hygiene habit as brushing. So make sure you are following the flossing after the brushing, and it will make sure the food which is stuck in between the teeth will disclose. So it will reduce the chances of cavity, and also it will optimizes the oral hygiene. Let's move to the next health habit, which is cleaning your nails. So dirty nails are the home to the germs. So make sure you are cleaning your nails every day, like not even frequently, not even twice or thrice a week. You should clean your nails every day to make sure you are not giving the home to the bacteria and infections. So as you are eating your food, like अगर आपके nails खराब हो गए तो it is eventually gonna go into your पेट, so it is gonna make you feel ill. So please make sure you are cleaning your nails frequently, and बहुत गंदे दिखते हैं वो दिखने में भी. So the tip number 8 is ear wax, clean it or not. Okay, so ear wax. What is basically ear wax is a natural substance which protects your ear and auditory canal from external factors like dirt and bacteria. So usually it is good and it drains off itself, but when it doesn't, so it make you feel discomfort या फिर hearing problems होने लगते हैं. If you are feeling a more discomfort, then make sure you are using natural remedies to get rid of earwax. Never use earbud, cotton swab, pins, matchstick. Please, it will lead serious problem to your ear and it can cause permanent damage as well to your eardrums. So please big no to these things. So what you can do is you can use warm oil and like you can add good 5 to 6 drops of warm oil into your ear. Like ये कान में है तो इस कान में तुम डाल सकते हो, and then just sleep like this and wait for good 1 to 2 minutes and then turn around, and जो excessive oil है you can like get rid of them using blotting paper या फिर normal कपड़े से. And you can use mineral oil या फिर baby oil या फिर olive oil, as these oils will soften the earwax. And yeah, please don't use any external equipments like sharp equipments. If you are feeling more discomfort and if you are not feeling relief even after using oil, then please go and consult your doctor. Like कुछ serious हो सकता है, so please it is always safe and good to consult your doctors. So let's move on to the next habit, which is cleaning your belongings. So Cleaning your belongings is very important as we use them every day, and for like most of the times they are in our hands, so we should take care of them as well. Actually, I read it somewhere that the germs on your phone are more than your toilet seat, and that scared the shit out of me. If you have noticed, then it also caused the acne problems to few of like has kind of sensitive skin. So if you are having acne, then maybe it is because of dirty belongings. So make sure you are cleaning them. So what you can do for cleaning is you can spray sanitizer या फिर disinfectant onto a clean napkin या tissue, and make sure you are cleaning your every belonging like tab, phone, specs, laptop, everything which you are using frequent. Also, one more extra tip I would like to give is that if you are having acne problems, so what you can do is you can change your pillow cover frequently. Like I have noticed that changing pillow covers can reduce acne का chances बहुत ज़्यादा. Like having acne because of external factors, then dirty pillow covers या फिर dirty gadgets can be one of them. So just try and change them like at least twice a day. Okay, so the next and last tip of the day is tip which is everyone saying and giving you right now. So wash your hands frequently. Like I know you must be doing that, but if you are not, then this is your sign. Please go and wash your hand, please. And yeah, always make sure you are washing your hand frequently with soap and hand wash for good 20 to 30 seconds. And if you are not able to wash your hands frequently because of some reasons, like you are going outside or something like that, then make sure you are carrying a paper soap या sanitizer as you must be doing. So this is just a reminder to washing your hands frequently. Also, you can use paper soap along with sanitizer. Like if you want to wash your hand outside, you can carry paper soap and you can use that also. This brings us to the end of this video. This is the time we should take care of us and our loved ones both physically and mentally. So let's do it together. Also, if you follow any further health hygiene habit which I haven't mentioned in this video, then please comment it below. I would love to know this. And if you don't follow me on Insta, please go and follow me on Insta because I work hard there as well. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure you are liking this video, subscribe to my channel, and go comment below and share this video as much as you can, as it will help others as well. So yeah, this is it. So milte hain in next video. Until then, stay happy and
something about you, so I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't